Hello, it's great to meet you. We're really excited to have you join the Highlander Engineering community, the largest high school engineering community based in Waterloo, Ontario. Today, we're really excited to show you what we have in store for the Highlander Engineering Challenge. It's going to be amazing. Here it is. This is the Highlander Engineering Challenge. Now here's Andrew to tell you more about it.
Highlander Engineering Challenge takes your traditional hackathon and extends it.
Traditional hackathons could be really intimidating for a lot of beginners because you have such a short period of time to work on your project. So as a result, Highlander Engineering Challenge will be stretched across an entire 2-month long period. Whether you want to build something innovative or you just want to have fun, we have a spot for you at Highlander Engineering Challenge. We want everyone to have the freedom to learn and build their project for free.
First of all, Highlander Engineering Challenge is beginner friendly. This means that if you have little to no experience within technology or engineering as a whole, we strongly encourage you to come and join us. Even if you do have some relevant experience, please come and join us during the 2 months. Throughout the 2 months, we will be having an assortment of games, workshops, including a mentorship from EW students to help you with your project.
And the best part, thank you to our sponsors and partners. This event will be free for everyone who would like to join.
So this is it, the Highlander Engineering Challenge. You can join by checking out our website and any of the social media platforms outlined right now on the screen. Now, let's meet some of the mentors that will be helping throughout this 2-month-long event.
Hi, my name is Brielle. I'm a second-year student at the University of Waterloo studying mechatronics engineering.
Hi, I'm Serena. I'm in my second year of management engineering.
My name is Curtis Hall. I use he, him pronouns, and I'm currently in my 3A term of chemical engineering at the University of Waterloo.
I'm a part of the engineering society here.
I'm also the Vice President of Student Life for the Waterloo Engineering Society.
And we are your mentors for the Highlander Engineering Challenge.
And we are some of your mentors for the Highlander Engineering Challenge.
And we are some of your mentors to help you build your project at the Highlander Engineering Challenge.
Thank you so much for joining us for this quick introduction of the Highlander Engineering Challenge. We hope to see you there, and remember, sign-ups are open until May 1st. Remember, guest speakers, workshops, and mentorship, and lots of learning opportunities. We hope to see you there, Highlanders. See you then.